morning. We are now in Brunei. I'm with Papa here.
Oh, yes.
We just went around to the palace, to the mosque, and
How
now
rewarding and enriching, and I am very thankful that I am here now, enjoying everything, knowledgeable, and experiencing what is good.
the tour of Papa is sponsored by Mel.
Sino yan?
Si Mel pa
Pero
sponsored by
sino
Mel.
yung kausap mo?
No, a video because papadala ko to kay Mel.
Yeah. Oh, yes. My God. I must thank my children, especially you and Dinky. I must thank you and God for allowing me to experience this on my natal day. I thought it was a God-given gift that I very thankful for. I'm very thankful for. I never thought I would have this fortune of experiencing this. I thank everyone who has something to do with my being here now. I'm enjoying every minute of it.
Yeah, everyone, myself, Lisa, Mel, Mayin, Emily, and Mark. And of course, the husbands and the wives as well.
Yeah, thank you, my God. I never would have. I was more than I could hope for. No.
Yeah.
My God.
You know-
I understand that is. I have enjoyed yet not even one half of it. So I'll have plenty of still to enjoy.
Yeah.
And to share with you when I see you.
Yeah.
I hope to see you.
Yeah, according to Agustin, he's still going to bring us to a buffet lunch. A buffet lunch, which is part of the package. Yeah.
Which my children, especially you and Dinky, have made it possible for me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And financed by my brothers and sisters. All right, so bye for now. This is only part one of the morning trip, and in a little while we'll be taking our lunch. All right, right now we are in a typical Malay house in the Water Village. So here's Pogi with us.
Salute. The hospitality of Bolkia, Brunei.
So bye for now. Bye now.